Hello, and welcome to Mote Marine Laboratory's HABscope training module. I will begin by giving you a basic introduction to phytoplankton, including what is phytoplankton and what constitutes a bloom. Then we will talk about harmful algal blooms and red tide in specific, beginning with the organism, a brief history of red tide in Florida, the effects and impacts felt by citizens, and recent events regarding red tide. Then I'll give you a summary of Mote's current red tide research programs, including the Beach Conditions Reporting System, or BCRS. Then field monitoring and methods of laboratory study that we currently employ, leading us to aspects that we would like to implement in the future. I will conclude with a brief overview of the parts and functions of a compound microscope. So, what is phytoplankton? We can start by saying that it is a microscopic algae, a single-celled organism that forms the very bottom of the food chain, also known as a primary producer. This is because phytoplankton do not consume any other organism. They create energy from the sun using photosynthesis. Please, do not immediately associate all phytoplankton with red tide. Phytoplankton is vital to our ecosystem, making up more than 90% of all photosynthesizing organisms, plant or plant-like, in the ocean. It is the base of the food web. Phytoplankton is an important indicator when reading the overall health of an ecosystem. Certain species of phytoplankton can cause disturbances during their bloom. This results in the term harmful algal bloom. The harmful aspect can take various forms. Below is a picture of a phytoplankton common up north and on the east coast of Florida known as cyanobacteria or blue-green algae.